Well, as you can see, a lot of the snow is just gone. Remember how this whole area here was just full of snow, basically gone. The roads here basically are gone as well. So it's just right now it's just the sun is out about 50 degrees, and it's just melting all the snow, all the ice and everything like that. Thank goodness, because we are done with not having electricity and not having water here in Texas. Well, as you can see, Nacogdoches has basically, the ice is melting right now. The roads are basically clear in a lot of aspects. So yeah, things are getting slightly back to normal, y'all. Computed.